How to sell an item in Dhan.co.uk. Discover the step-by-step process of logging in, uploading eye-catching images, crafting compelling descriptions, setting the perfect prices, and sealing the deal to sell your item on the platform successfully. Let's dive in and master the art of selling. Access the login page. Log into your account. You can use your preferred single sign-on via Google or Facebook too. Initiate the item listing process by clicking the List an Item button in the top navigation menu. Choose the appropriate category for your item. In this example, I select the Other category. Add a thumbnail image for your item. Add more images for the item. Enter the title of your listing. You can also insert a YouTube link if you have any videos. Proceed to describe the item. Provide a detailed description as much as possible of the item. Select the location of the item. Proceed to specify return instructions. Here, select the option to sell the item. In this example here, we wanted to select the option for sales only. Enter the price of the item here. Specify the item quantity. Submit the item listing. You will see a prompt notice informing you that the item has been submitted. The back office admin will make sure everything is okay and confirm shortly. Proceed to view your recent activity. Access the specific item listing. Now that your item is live, click Home in the top menu navigation area to return to the home page. Initiate a search. Start to enter the search term. As soon as you start to type in, it auto-suggests other similar names. Access the specific item listing. Hit the button Rent Now. The search result page area displays the item and the dynamic map location, which should be ideally closest to you. Now that you have your item listed, customers can proceed and buy the item from you. This guide covered the detailed steps involved in listing an item on Dhan.co.uk. If you have anything at home that is currently in use or not in use, publish it right away to earn some extra cash today. Dhan.co.uk. Make money, save money.